Hi friends, welcome to SSG Electrical. In this video, I am going to discuss about equivalent resistance calculation between terminals A and the B. This is very important model, and in many competitive exams this question will be repeating. Okay, see here, this is 30 ohms given. In some of the exams they are giving 60 ohms. Okay, very important. So before solving this question, just understand how it appears to be in practical. Okay, so practically it appears to be like this. Practically it appears to be like this. Okay, the connection will be appear like this. For star connection, one end will be connected. Okay, for star connection, one end will be connected, this end will be connected. In case of delta connection, what happens? In case of delta connection, so the other end of this winding will be connected to another winding. Okay, this other end of the winding connected to another winding, and the starting of this winding will be connected to last one. Okay, just for understanding I am telling you. Okay, this is the winding connection. So practically appears to be like this for star delta connections. Now you can see here, in between these two terminals we need to calculate the equivalent resistance, that is RAB we have to calculate. Okay, so in this circuit all the resistors having each one 30 ohms resistance, each one 30 ohms resistance. In some of the competitive exams 60 ohms is giving. Okay, very important model this is. In some of the exams 60 ohms is giving, 30 ohms, 60 ohms is giving mostly. Okay, so value only will be changed, the model is same only. Okay, so in this question, which delta I have to convert into star connection? Don't confuse with this. Do one thing, whatever the terminals that is connected to, those delta just convert into star connection. This one connected to delta. Okay, this terminal is connected to this delta, and this terminal is connected to this delta. So convert this delta into star connection, you will get the answer. Okay, just to use this technique, whatever the terminals that is connected to delta, just convert the delta into star connection, you will get the answer. Okay, when equivalent resistance given, for delta to star connection, there is a formula. See here, delta is nothing but a what? Delta equals to 3 star. Delta equal to 3 star. For converting it to star connection, that is star equals to delta by 3. If delta equal to 30 ohms, if the resistance of the delta is 30 ohms, for the star connection, the value will be 1/3. That is 10 ohms will be the resistance of the star connection. Okay, just remember this, delta equal to 3 star. How it appears to be, just I will tell you. For remembering delta equal to 3 star, just use this technique, use this logic. Just hotel delta is a 3-star hotel. Hotel delta is a 3-star hotel. Just to use this technique, you can solve this. Okay, just see this, delta 3-star hotels, delta 3-star hotels. Okay, there is a hotels names is delta is a 3-star hotel. Just for understanding I am showing, delta equal to 3 star, just remember. So the resistance of the delta is 3 times that of the star connection, and the resistance of the star connection is 1/3 of the delta connection. Okay, and for this problem just convert this delta into star connection. Okay, for these two deltas just convert into star connection, you will get the answer. Before that, just name the nodes. This is a node A, this is a node A, and this is node B, and this is A, this is B. Let it be, this is C, this is D. Okay, here there is no node because the same current is flowing in this, so there is no node here. C, D, let it be, this is E. So if we convert delta into star connection, it will appear like this. Okay, first one I converted to delta to star, and this one converted to delta to star. Here each resistor is 30 ohms. So in the star connection, what happens? In the star connection, delta by 3. So the resistance becomes 1/3. That is, it becomes 10 ohms. This is 10. This is 10. And D and E terminals, in between these two terminals, these two resistors are in series. Okay, these two resistors are series. This combination is in parallel with this resistor. This is 30 ohms. Okay, so this is 30 ohms, and this 30 ohms and 30 ohms is in series. The resultant becomes 60 ohms. This is 60 ohms. Okay, so now we can easily solve this. These two are in parallel. This 30 ohms and 60 ohms is in parallel. So R1 R2 by R1 plus R2, that is 30 into 60 by R1 plus R2, that is 90. 33 is 327. So 20 ohms we are getting. Okay, this is 20 ohms. Then the equivalent circuit will be So now this 20 ohms and this 20 ohms and this 10 ohms and this 10 ohms is in series, then what it will be? 40 ohms. This total combination will be 40 ohms. Okay, 10 plus 10 plus 20, that is 40 ohms. This 40 ohms is in parallel with this 10 ohms and this 10 ohms is in series. The resultant becomes 20 ohms. Okay, so this 20 ohms and this 40 ohms, 20 ohms 40 ohms is in parallel, 20 ohms and 40 ohms in parallel. So what happens? 20 into 40 by, that is 60, 23, so that is 40 by 3 you are getting. Okay, so this parallel combination 40 by 3 you are getting. So the resultant circuit will be appear like this. This 10 ohms and you can see this 10 ohms and this 10 ohms and this 40 by 3 ohms will be in series. Therefore 10 plus 10 plus 40 by 3. 40 by 3 is nothing but a 13.33. Just add this 10 plus 10 plus 13 by 3, that is 33.33 ohms we are getting. This is the equivalent resistance for between the terminals A and B. Okay, for the same question if 60 ohms given, for the same question 60 ohms given in CHIG exams, in some of the websites is there like a CHIG, and they will give you question regarding this. They will give you 60 ohms. In that case the answer will be, that is 66.67. in CHIG exams, in CHIG they will give you 60 ohms. In case of 60 ohms, what will be the answer? 66.67, just double that. Okay, so for this question 33.3 ohms is the correct answer. Okay, so very important model, just very important, just take a screenshot of this. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. Thank you.